Pippa, you see any birds out there out the window? Huh? Any birdies out there? Birdies. And there's some birds.
Get together with confidence with Adam's by
I keep looking for them. Just getting ready to storm. It's got really dark and windy. Little sprinkles. Definitely cooler. Here comes the storm.
Gas today for Dunedin, Florida.
And it is raining now. Oop, the door slammed shut because all the windows are open. It's nice and cool though. Very pretty. And so we've got all the windows open, so the curtains blowing. Open the door slamming again. Nice cool breeze. It's definitely raining harder now. And that drain over there drains down and goes into our pond, so that'll make it nice. There's a little frog. Can you see the little frog right there? It's really tiny. Hopping in the grass. Had to shut the windows because the wind blew that in, and one of these damp grids that I had both of them sitting over here because we're getting the air conditioning worked on, and it blew off, and you can see all the juice, and then it blew. I don't know how it blew, but it was laying back here with all the juice and the little beads from it, but it must have fallen down here too. I don't know. It was weird, but I have it sitting in the sink when I go clean up the mess. Okay, the liquid you get that comes out of the damp rid is really weird. It's like gelled, and I've been trying to soak this up, and it just sits here, and it's starting to get soaked up. It's really weird how it bubbles up like that. Like real air soaking up a little bit, but it's like gelled. Well, that's something I learned. Oh, listen to thunder. Thunder rumblies. Thunder rumblies. So I got a paper towel back there, but these are the little beads that are in there, the scent beads. I've had two different kinds because I use wait, if you can see in there, some are lavender, and I can't remember what the yellow ones are. Let's see, this was the one that didn't spill. The other one. Let's see how you put the basket, and there's all that liquid in there. That gets soaked up from the dampness in the room. But where it spilled, it's just weird how it doesn't want to soak up. Yeah, it's kind of like greasy. So anyway, I gotta clean up my mess. This little diamond painting tool works good for getting those little beads from the damp rid that I cleaned up. And I'm just putting them back in here to reuse them. Works out pretty good. But you don't want to spill this stuff on your carpet. This is just a indoor-outdoor carpet here. But since it's so greasy, I imagine that's going to leave a mark. I've got some carpet cleaner. Well, we're planning to redo this room someday anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. I figure these beads, flavor beads, not flavor, scent beads, are good, still good, so I put them back in there. I'm going to go dump those out because I'm sure we're going to have a lot of moisture. I've got like eight of these throughout the house, but they sure help. It was funny, I went out to go get the other damp rid container, and on the commercial on the TV was for damp rid. That's funny. I don't know. I thought it was funny. But anyway, still raining. It's not raining so hard right now, but definitely had to close those windows because Pippa's bed's all damp, and this is damp because it was blowing in from all the wind. But the wind seems to have died down too. So maybe it's just a short rain today. Birds are, hear the birds out there. I love that sound. In this room with the metal ceiling, and it's got a very thin roof up there. It's very noisy in here when it rains hard. So when I'm crafting, it's very noisy. And I'm busy working on some stuff here. I got one thing nailed out today. Still got some more getting it done. So anyway, and there's little buddies there. So have a good day. Okay, I just refilled that one. This is the kind of stuff I use. This is the lavender vanilla. It's got the little purple. I can't remember what the one was with the yellow dots. But when I buy a bag of refill, I go to refill all my containers in one day, and then I don't have to worry about sealing that because if there's moisture, I figured it would get in there even if you seal it. But when I do seal it, I put it in a big plastic bag too. But it works pretty good. There's another one under the sink I'll have to replace, and then I got one in the laundry room, 2 in the bedroom, 1 in the closet, and 2 in the sunroom. So got lots of them. They do work really good.